5,400 bison grazing at Yellowstone aren't just America's national mammal. They are carbon-storing machines healing our planet. The very same animals that we nearly wiped out of existence are now our secret weapon in the fight against global warming. Here's why scientists think bison, they may be the key to keeping temperatures under control.
Wait, bison can actually fight climate change? What?
Well, today's journey finds us knee-deep in the grasslands looking for proof. And while scientists debate technology and policy, these massive grazers are just doing the work. They're transforming grasslands into carbon sinks with every single step. 200 years ago, over 30 million bison thundered across North America. Can you imagine what that was like?
That'd be like if every person in California was a bison.
But by the 1880s, commercial hunting and government policies drove them to near extinction. In 1889, it's estimated that only about 500 bison remained in the United States.
That's horrifying. Why would you kill them? They're so cute and cuddly and snuggly and fuzzy.
I know, like a lot of things, it was about profit and control. Bison were commodities and popular ones, and they were sacred to indigenous peoples. So destroying them was a weapon against native communities.
But they survived, didn't they?
Yeah, they did, thanks to indigenous nations and conservationists and protected lands. And places like this, the National Bison Range, that has played such a critical role in repopulating the herd in the United States, and specifically at Yellowstone. Now, more than 500,000 bison roam North America once again.
Yay! How does a giant free animal help fight climate change?
All right, climate change. Yeah, they just do what bison do best. They graze, they trample things, they roam around the land, and they fertilize things. That's their superpower.
That sounds surprisingly basic.
Yeah. Their grazing keeps grasslands healthy and diverse, and then those grasses pull carbon dioxide from the air and lock it deep underground in root systems.
Don't cows do that too?
Kind of. But bison, they're really grassland specialists. They move in patterns that prevent overgrazing, and their hooves really press the seeds and carbon deep into the soil. Like a massage for Mother Nature. Doesn't that sound nice? Mother Nature deserves a massage. She gets a spa day, right? Get a little facial. Maybe get a pedicure.
I don't know anything you're talking about because I don't need science.
The grown-ups understand what I mean.
So bison are basically living carbon-capturing machines?
Oh no, they are way better than machines. Some studies show that they outperform industrial carbon capture systems while also restoring entire ecosystems. So they are a major bonus.
So they do move in herds. But trees are bigger. Don't they store more carbon?
Trees store carbon above ground in wood and leaves, but then when the wildfires hit, that carbon returns to the atmosphere almost instantaneously. Grassland carbon stays underground in the roots in the soil. And in our increasingly drought-plagued, fire-prone planet, underground storage is safer and more permanent.
Can this really work? Like, scale up in ways that will actually impact our planet? I mean, some places have really teeny tiny little itty bitty herds.
It's already working globally, even with small numbers. Yeah. In Romania, for example, just 170 rewilded bison store carbon equivalent to removing 43,000 cars from the roads annually. That's the power of natural solutions.
This changes everything! We're not just saving one species, we're saving ourselves!
Yes. Bison restoration. It brings back balanced ecosystems while fighting climate change.
We nearly destroyed them. Now, they might save us. Oh.
Use some saving, I think, right about now. Sometimes our biggest solutions, honestly, they have 4 legs and eat grass, and they were here all along.
If only we could get tourists to stop trying to pet them.
Oh, yeah, that is a problem. And speaking of tourists, you might be surprised, actually, why even the most respectful visitors feel tempted to approach these climate heroes when visiting beautiful places like Yellowstone. And we're going to tell you why right here.